Let's create our trial account in SAP Cloud Platform. The website for SAP Cloud Platform is cloudplatform.sap.com. This is the homepage of SAP Cloud Platform website. And here it is asking you to create a trial account. So to create a trial account, click on the Start Free Trial. Just scroll down a bit. And here it is asking you to register for free. Let's click on that. So on this page, you can enter your email address, and here you can write your first name, then last name, your company name. You can provide any company name. Then you can select your country, and then you need to enter your phone number. This phone number is unique and you have to provide your phone number. Then you have to tell your relationship to SAP. You can write your customer, or you are a consultant, or you are a partner. And you need to create a password, and then you can select the department, like you can select any department. Then you click on I have read and understood the terms, and then you click on the submit. Once you click on the submit button, you will get a link to verify your account. Then you need to verify your email account, and then your account will be created. Once you are done with the creation process, then click on the login button. And here you can write your credential, your email address, click continue, then enter your password, press enter. This is your user ID. SAP uniquely identifies you through this account. Click on the click here to start your free trial. Click I acknowledge and then accept. You are now inside the SAP Cloud Platform. And if you scroll down, then you will see that there are two types of environments over here. First is Cloud Foundry and second is Neo environment. We will look into these environments in the coming videos. Once we go through the theory part, then we will explore what's inside them.